Finally, a solution for a mama's body to heal from the inside out in a balanced manner, both hormonally and physically after pregnancy. The new Mommy Wellness Kit is a complete assortment of postnatal products that every mom should have to help herself heal after pregnancy. 8 of the products found in the set are a collection of the most popular recovery products purchased by moms, such as an abdominal wrap, firming paste for the stomach, stretch mark product, postnatal tea, feminine wash, herbal bath, a natural soap. The 30-day DIY kit contains 100% natural products that are safe for breastfeeding. They are made with the highest quality of herbal ingredients, free from parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, harsh sulfates, artificial colors, and petroleum derivatives. Each product contains unique healing properties that are best used together for maximum results. The new Mommy Wellness Kit provides a natural solution for a woman's body to heal from the inside out. The Mommy Wrap. Our abdominal wrap is based on the longer traditional design that mamas find comforting, as it provides 360 degrees of support to a post-baby body. The material is unbleached cotton, which is soft but durable for hours of comfort. The wrap is easy to put on and most comfortable when worn under loose clothes. An abdominal wrap is an important recovery garment worn by mamas in many cultures for a faster recovery from childbirth. The Mommy Wrap is designed to provide firm control of flabby, sagging abdominal skin for the recovery and firming of the abdominal muscles and tissues. Snug support encourages accelerated release of retained fluid and fat, as well as encourages the womb and pelvic organs to shrink at a faster rate and protects them from shifting. It also provides excellent back support while breastfeeding. Apply firming herbal blend on stomach area before putting on the wrap. The wrap should be worn next to the skin. If you find this uncomfortable, wear a fitted shirt that is tight against your body. Spread the wrap on a bed with the tie at the bottom. Lie down on the wrap, lining the bottom at mid-hip level, and tuck in the cloth snugly to your body. Starting from the bottom, lace the strap through the eyelets like a shoelace, pulling it tightly to achieve a firm fit but comfortable fit, especially in the abdominal area. Our design has 2 rows of eyelets to choose from and accommodates sizes extra small to large. Choose the row that is most comfortable. As your body shrinks, move to the second row. The wrap can be loosened and the bottom rolled up when you have to use the restroom. It is strongly recommended to wear the abdominal wrap for at least 12 hours a day, from as early as day 1, but by day 5 after delivery, for at least 40 days or more. Finish off by tying the wrap under the breasts. If the wrap is longer than your torso, tie it off and fold down the excess material on the outside, not against your skin. Firming Herbal Blend Paste. A paste made from a blend of herbs used to help strengthen and firm stomach muscles from the inside out. This paste reduces retained fluid and fat in the abdominal area by promoting blood flow, resulting in the toning of loose skin, as well as reducing blemishes and dark pigmentation. Apply firming paste by day 5 for 14 days, in combination with the abdominal wrap. Add 3 tablespoons of warm water and mix into a smooth paste. Spread evenly on the stomach and torso area and cover with a white cloth to prevent the paste from being absorbed by the abdominal wrap. Cold-pressed virgin coconut oil. For prenatal and postnatal usage, a food-grade oil. One of the highest concentrated sources of antioxidants, cold-pressed virgin coconut oil has been used for centuries by expecting mothers as a natural remedy to keep skin supple and to prevent and fade existing stretch marks. It can also be used prenatally for perineum massage, and after delivery for cracked nipples and as a baby massage oil. Virgin coconut oil is highly antiseptic and moisturizing, aiding in keeping connective tissues strong and supple. It is very effective for cracked heels. Use on all areas of the body prone to stretch marks: belly, thighs, hips, and buttocks. Postnatal herbal tea. A warming tea safe for breastfeeding that aids a mama with her recovery by reducing inflammation of the uterus, stimulating internal circulation, relieving constipation, and promotes flow of afterbirth bleeding. Drink from day 5 twice per day with breakfast and dinner for 7 days. Pour 5 ounces of hot water over 1 sachet and brew for 5 minutes. Drink while still hot or warm. Mix with natural sweeteners, such as a teaspoon of honey, agave, stevia, maple syrup, and/or a squeeze of lemon if desired. Feminine herbal wash. A mixture of aromatic herbs rich in essential oils used for healing stitches and keeping the perineum area clean, deodorized, and cool. The sooner a mama starts using this wash, the better, even in the case of a cesarean birth. Use on the first day of delivery, twice a day for 14 days. Soak 1 sachet in 1 quart of hot water for 10 minutes, or for a stronger solution, boil 1 sachet in 1 quart of water on low flame for 15 minutes. Let solution cool down to a warm temperature before using. The solution can be used in 3 ways: as a feminine wash, sitz bath, and in a spray bottle. Herbal bath. A traditional blend of highly aromatic herbs and spices such as nutmeg, turmeric, ginger, and kaffir lime that contains anti-inflammatory properties that refreshes, re-energizes, and deodorizes the body, as well as helps soothe tired muscles and relieves minor skin irritations. You can add the solution to your bath or use as a sponge bath. Use from day 5 for 14 days. Boil 1 sachet in 2 quarts of water for 20 minutes. Pour the herbal solution into your bathtub and add water until you get a warm solution. Brown formulation body soap for prenatal and postnatal usage. This 2-in-1 soap is a combination of herbs and grains, which produces a mild granular surface that gently exfoliates dead skin and improves blood circulation. Traditionally used herbs such as turmeric and wild ginger are known to improve the overall skin condition by drying minor skin irritations. The exotic earthy scent of vetiver root combined with cinnamon are added for an aromatherapy effect. Concentrate on areas affected by temporary hormonal pigmentation, such as under the arms and the groin area. Use soap directly on skin when bathing or showering. Bore Body Scrub. Bore meaning a paste-like substance made of a mixture of natural ingredients. A combination of herbs with warming properties, such as clove, ginger, and pulsari wood, whose main function is to have a warming effect on the skin and muscles, which reduces water retention and dark hormonal pigmentation. This scrub energizes and rejuvenates a tired mama's body. Use from day 5 twice per week. Mix 1 sachet with 3 tablespoons or 50 milliliters of hot or warm water until you get a thick paste. Apply paste all over your body. Wait for the paste to half dry, still moist, and scrub skin with your hand in a gentle circular motion. Rinse excess scrub and shower as normal. Calming Herbal Blend Paste. A traditionally blended mixture that is applied to the forehead that refreshes tired eyes and mind due to lack of sleep or stress, and relieves headaches, giving clarity and a sense of peace. This blend is traditionally used to combat baby blues. Use from day 5 twice per week. Add 1 teaspoon of hot water to 1 packet of powder and mix to a thick paste. Relax and leave on until dry for a recommended time of 60 minutes before washing off. Avoid contact with eyes. Herbal massage oil. A natural oil that is infused with tropical herbs such as black cumin, turmeric, ginger, and pandan leaf that stimulates a mama's blood circulation and metabolism, helping the lymphatic system to remove toxins and aiding the body to release retained fluid and fat. It nourishes and revitalizes the skin and major organs. Use from day 5 on entire body. Pour the oil onto your palms, rub vigorously to warm the oil, stimulating the natural ingredients. Rub on neck and temples for relief of stress and headaches.